For nearly a century, radar has been the watchful eye of the skies. It scans endlessly, painting a picture of aircraft miles away. But today, some aircraft can slip through that picture unseen. They do not just fly, they vanish. This is the power of stealth technology, a discipline that has transformed modern aviation and rewritten the rules of aerial combat. In this documentary, we journey into the world of stealth, a realm where geometry, materials, science, and electronic warfare converge. We will explore the machines that embody this technology. The angular and mysterious F-117 Nighthawk, the ghostly B-2 Spirit, the unrivaled F-22 Raptor, and the versatile F-35 Lightning II. Each aircraft represents a leap forward in making the visible invisible, and together they define the cutting edge of aerospace design. The F-117 Nighthawk, birth of stealth. The story begins in the 1,970 seconds. Inside the legendary Skunk Works at Lockheed, engineers faced an impossible question. Could an aircraft be built to disappear from radar? The answer was the F-117 Nighthawk. Unlike any aircraft before it, the F-117 was shaped not for speed, but for shadows. Its faceted panels and knife-edge angles were designed to scatter radar beams away, confusing detection systems. Combined with radar-absorbent coatings, this gave the jet a radar signature smaller than a bird. It first flew in secret, but the world saw its power during the Gulf War. The Nighthawk penetrated some of the most heavily defended airspace on Earth, delivering precision strikes with near impunity. It was not fast. It was not agile. Yet, it did not need to be. The F-117 proved one thing beyond doubt. Stealth worked. Though retired in 2008, the Nighthawk remains a legend, the aircraft that pulled back the curtain on a new era of invisible warplanes. The B-2 Spirit. Strategic ghost. If the F-117 was a scalpel, the Northrop Grumman B-2 Spirit was a shadow the size of a continent. Unveiled in the 1,990 seconds, the B-2's flying wing design eliminated the vertical surfaces that radar loves to reflect from. With its massive 172-foot wingspan, the B-2 could carry over 40,000 pounds of weapons, conventional or nuclear, yet remain nearly invisible on radar. Its purpose was clear: to strike anywhere in the world, undetected, and to do so from bases inside the United States. The B-2 gave Washington a tool of unmatched reach, capable of flying intercontinental missions without refueling. Its ability to penetrate deep into enemy territory, even against advanced air defense networks, made it one of the most fearsome strategic bombers ever built. The B-2 is not just an aircraft. It is a ghost, a silent shape that drifts high above the clouds, unseen until the strike is already complete. Even decades after its debut, it remains the only stealth bomber of its kind, a symbol of technological audacity. The F-22 Raptor, the apex predator. While the B-2 projected power across oceans, the Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor dominated the skies above the battlefield. Entering service in the early 2000s, the F-22 was the first true fifth-generation stealth fighter. It combined stealth with blistering speed, supercruise capability, and unmatched agility. Its radar cross-section is tiny. Its thrust vectoring engines allow maneuvers no other fighter can match. And its advanced sensors give pilots unparalleled awareness of the battle space. The F-22 was built not only to evade detection, but to hunt, to strike first, unseen, before an enemy ever knew it was there. In simulated exercises, the Raptor routinely achieves kill ratios that border on the unbelievable. To this day, it is considered the most dominant air superiority fighter ever built. Yet, it is also rare. Only 187 were produced, making the F-22 both a technological marvel and an exclusive guardian of the skies. The F-35 Lightning II, the global stealth fighter. If the F-22 is the apex predator, the Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II is the versatile hunter. Developed in multiple variants, the F-35 Amperes for conventional air forces, the F-35B with vertical takeoff and landing capability, and the F-35C for carrier operations, it was designed to bring stealth to every branch of the U.S. military and allied nations worldwide. The F-35 carries its weapons internally, like the F-22, to maintain a low radar cross-section. Its advanced helmet allows pilots to see through the aircraft with sensor fusion, though these displays remain inside the helmet, not projected externally. More than a fighter, the F-35 is a flying information hub. It can collect, analyze, and share data with ground, air, and naval forces in real time. This makes it not only a stealth aircraft, but also a force multiplier connecting entire militaries through a web of information. With over 1,000 already built and many more planned, the F-35 has become the backbone of stealth aviation for a generation of allied air forces. The science of invisibility. What makes these aircraft so elusive? The answer lies in three principles: shape, material, and heat. Shape scatters radar waves. That is why stealth aircraft often look unconventional. Their curves, edges, and wings are designed with radar reflection in mind. Materials absorb radar energy. Specialized coatings, known as radar-absorbent materials, soak up signals that would otherwise bounce back. And heat management hides jets from infrared sensors. Exhaust is cooled, spread, or shielded to prevent detection by heat-seeking missiles. Together, these elements create a moving paradox, a massive machine that, to sensors, is barely there. The future of stealth. But the story of stealth is not over. On the horizon are new technologies, plasma stealth fields that bend electromagnetic waves, hypersonic aircraft that outrun defenses, and artificial intelligence systems that jam or deceive radars in real time. The next generation may combine all of these, producing aircraft that are not just stealthy but nearly undetectable across the entire spectrum of detection. Conclusion. From the faceted skin of the F-117 to the wide wings of the B-2, the super maneuvers of the F-22, and the networked intelligence of the F-35, stealth technology has evolved from secrecy into supremacy. These aircraft are not simply machines. They are shadows cast across the sky, guardians of nations, and symbols of the relentless race between detection and invisibility. The skies may always be watched, but thanks to stealth, not everything that flies can be seen.